Good morning guys, welcome back to another midweek episode. Today we're going to introduce you to another new product. This one is by the Gums Coffee. I'm super excited about this one because I am the biggest cold brew drinker ever. Every morning, whether it's freezing cold or boiling hot, I have an iced latte. So when Gums messaged us saying they've come out with something new, I was like, God, please be cold brew.
Hold on a second, rewind. We actually have been hassling Gums to bring out one as well. As soon as they got in contact with us about the drip coffee, we definitely said, do you guys have a cold brew? And yeah.
And anytime they were like, we're launching something, I was like, is it cold brew?
So they finally done it. So they've hacked into the mainframe of the molecular structure of the coffee, and they've developed the actual coffee bag that sort of releases the caffeine and the flavors in cold water overnight. So pretty much, Sarah will demonstrate in a minute, but in a nutshell, you chuck a few bags in a bottle, chuck a bit of water in it, and then throw it in the fridge. And next morning when you wake up and you need a strong coffee that's super cold and already brewed, one's in the fridge for you. Tastes exactly like you would get an iced latte from the shop. And yeah, like Sarah said, she swears by them. She's found a new soulmate. It's definitely not me. So without flapping the gums too much more, we're going to show you guys exactly how to make it.
Okay, so, oh, it sounded like I did a little fart then.
You probably did.
Warning, excessive consumption of coffee may cause a laxative effect on some people. Authorised by the Australian Government, Steve Brown.
Alright, let me get my coffee out of the way. So pretty much you put 2 to 3 bags in, depending how strong you want it. And you're meant to put it in 800 mils of water. I think this Navigator bottle is like 600 mils or 700 mils, but we've been using this. We chucked 2 bags in. Bag's getting a bit empty. There's that. Do you want to hold that?
Yep. So normally you don't need 2 people to do it, but we will today. We will today.
Make him feel included.
Alright, I'll grab that one
Good
as well.
job. Alright, and then all you do is you just fill it with water. You're doing such a good job.
I feel like I'm in one of them advertisements, you know, like when you're watching like midday Sunday TV or something, although
there's
weekday.
That lady there and she's got no job.
Like, they're trying to still sell gemstones. They're like, oh, look at this gemstone. Or it's like the gimmick fat burner machines or something. That's what I feel like we're doing right now.
We could go on that show. And then you just pop the lid on.
Here we go. And wait for it.
Voila.
It's done. So just jam that in the fridge, and yeah, next morning you'll have a cold brew coffee waiting for you, and you don't have to pop down to Macca's to get one. So super revolutionary stuff. And yeah, the Gums Coffee, like we've spoken about in previous videos, we have made a video on the drip coffee. They do have a lot of different coffees that you can choose from, different varieties, different flavors, different strengths. But pretty much Gums Coffee, they're doing great things for the environment. All their packaging is all biodegradable and all recycled. So it is a very good product, and we stand behind them. We use it every day.
And a percentage of their sales goes to environmental conservation projects as well. So
yeah,
that's amazing.
Yeah, so we love getting behind companies that are doing good things for the environment. It's not only very ethical, but cold brew is probably going to be the way of the future. I reckon hot coffee is going to fade out anytime soon.
It's just trending right now.
I feel like every young person that, you know, we bump into and we're at the coffee shop with them, they're always buying
an iced latte.
Yeah, or an iced coffee. I think I'm the only one that still orders a cappuccino with 1 sugar. So anyway, super revolutionary stuff. You guys can get this from the Gums website. If you use our code SKT10, that'll get you 10% off their whole website. They got cups, they got all sorts of stuff on there. So t-shirts.
And if you are going online, I know it is like very tempting to buy because the drip filters come either in a bag like this, a bulk bag, or they come in the individual wrappers, which you might have seen us use before. Those are great for traveling and stuff if you're just chucking a few sachets in the car for a weekend trip. But I would encourage you to buy the bags because it is a lot more environmental.
Well, less packaging.
Yeah. More sustainable, that's what I was looking for.
Anyway, I'm going to finish my coffee. Who am I kidding? It's empty. I normally smash one of these in like 10 seconds, I reckon. I brew it super hot so I can't drink it all at once.
And I'm not a pig. I've still got a little bit left.
I just seem to subconsciously go, and then 2 seconds later go. Alright, here's a live taste tester for you. It's good. And I don't drink cold coffee, so it is very good. Anyway, we're gonna go 18 hours into the future to show you guys how the bloody hell this one went this morning. Well, tomorrow morning. Just gave away the camera secret. And we'll fast back to the present time and we'll wrap it up.
Good morning, guys. So the cold brew has been in the fridge all night, so we're going to pour it this morning and show you guys how it turned out. So first thing you're going to do is give it a little tumble, because it does sort of like settle at the bottom, and then literally all you do, pour it in the cup. And then, depending on how strong you want it, is how much milk you put in. So I'll just put a dash in, stir it up, and it's done. If you want it black, you just have it straight, but pretty much that's it. And Keelan's having the standard drip filter. If you're new to our channel, we've made a video on that as well.
So as you saw there, guys, the bloody coffee was an absolute banger of a cut. Like you saw there, guys, the coffee was an absolute hit this morning in the camp, even though the camp was just us. I'm bouncing off the bloody walls. I've had 3 of the things. I'm super caffeinated. I'm probably too caffeinated. Sarah's going to be pissed off with me at any second now because I've just got too much energy for the morning.
We need to wrap this up.
Anyway, we'll probably wrap this up now. So
if you are new to our channel, please do make sure you subscribe. We are trying to put out heaps of content for you guys in the coming weeks, and we are planning to travel for the next few years. So really, YouTube is going to be our steady income, so please do make sure you subscribe and like our videos, and leave a little comment below with any feedback that you have or anything that you want to see in the future.
Even if it's just an emoji, we love replying to comments, so just...
As long as it's not just a...
Yeah, make sure you hit the like button, not the down button, but yeah, we're going to be doing this for a while, guys. The support is well appreciated.
And if there's particular products you do want to see us talk about, comment below, because then we can start like making videos that people actually want to see. Yeah,
and we're always on the hunt for good new products, like really good products. We love hearing from you guys, what's working for you guys, and yeah, life on the road isn't easy, but with good products like this and strong coffee, it's made very easy. So we'll wrap it up there, guys. Thanks heaps for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.